So coffee is supposed to help you lose weight, right? So why, after drinking it every day, are you still stuck at the same number on the scale? If you stick around, I'll be revealing the 3 biggest mistakes people make with coffee and 3 simple steps to make coffee work for your weight loss goals. So, what if I told you that your coffee habit might be working against you instead of for you? Don't worry, you're not alone. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why coffee might not be giving you the results you expect, and more importantly, how to fix it. Let's dive in. Coffee has a reputation for being a weight loss superstar. It can boost your metabolism, give you energy to crush workouts, and even curb your appetite, at least temporarily. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the truth. Coffee isn't a magic wand, and if you're relying on it to do all the work, you might be setting yourself up for frustration. Here's the deal. If coffee isn't helping you lose weight, there's usually a reason or a few. Let's talk about the 3 biggest mistakes people make with coffee that keep them stuck. Mistake number 1, those hidden calories. That innocent-looking latte, it could be packing 200, 300, even 400 calories, depending on the milk, syrups, and extras. When you're trying to lose weight, those calories can add up fast. The solution? Stick to black coffee, or try low-calorie swaps like unsweetened almond milk and natural sweeteners like stevia. Your coffee can still be delicious, without the calorie bomb. Mistake number 1, skipping meals. I get it, coffee can curb your appetite, but replacing meals with caffeine is a recipe for disaster. You might feel fine at first, but eventually, hunger hits, and it's not pretty. Instead, treat coffee as a boost alongside your meals, not a replacement. Pair it with a balanced breakfast or snack to keep your energy steady. Mistake number 3, over-reliance on coffee. If you're turning to coffee for every burst of energy, your body might be missing something important. Proper nutrition. Without real fuel, your metabolism can actually slow down, making weight loss harder. Use coffee as a pick-me-up, not a crutch. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods to keep your body running smoothly. Okay, so how do you make coffee work for your weight loss goals? Here are 3 simple tips that can make a big difference. Tip number 1. Time your coffee. Strategically drinking coffee 30 minutes before a workout can give you an energy boost and help you burn more calories. But avoid late afternoon caffeine. Sleep is critical for weight loss. Tip number 2. Keep it clean and simple. Skip the fancy drinks. Black coffee is your best bet, but if you need flavor, try low-calorie additions like cinnamon, almond milk, or stevia. Tip number 3. Stay hydrated. Caffeine is a diuretic, which means it can dehydrate you. For every cup of coffee, drink an equal amount of water to stay hydrated and keep your metabolism firing. Here's the bottom line. Coffee is a tool, not a miracle. By making a few simple changes, like cutting hidden calories, balancing your meals, and staying hydrated, you can turn your coffee habit into a powerful ally for weight loss. So the next time you feel like coffee isn't working, remember, it's not about drinking more, it's about drinking smarter. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and share this video with a fellow coffee lover. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on turning everyday habits into weight loss wins. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.